Hi, welcome back to Career Talk with Aditya, and today we are going to deep dive into the US CMA. Let's talk. What is CMA? CMA or Certified Management Accountant is one of the highest level of certifications in management accounting that acts as a global passport for finance professionals and management accounting professionals. This certificate is offered by US-based Institute of Management Accountants, which is popularly known as IMA. CMAs are valued globally by employers in multiple domains such as financial planning and analysis, product control, consultancy, and advisory. Eligibility: candidates can start their CMA journey as early as their undergrad days. Students who are enrolled for any undergraduate course can appear for CMA exams parallelly to their college exams or university exams. However, to complete your CMA certification, you have to complete 5 requirements set by the institute. The first one, complete your CMA Part 1 and 2 exams. Second, hold an active IMA membership. And third, hold a bachelor's degree from an accredited college or university or any related professional certification. Fourth, abide by IMA's statement of ethical professional practice. And fifth, have 2 continuous years of professional experience in management accounting or financial management. Now for more details, I've shared a link to CMA handbook in the description. Do check it out. Exam structure: CMA certification is a 2-part exam and a candidate can appear for the exams in any order. Each part is a computer-based exam which consists of 100 MCQs with 3-hour duration, which has 75% weightage in your exam. Now, if you are able to answer at least 50% of these MCQs correctly, then you are allotted an additional hour with 2 case studies, which has 25% weightage in your exam. Timeline: now this is a really subjective decision. On an average, IMA quotes that it takes 12 to 18 months to pass both the parts. You can take up these exams in any of the 3 available windows. Window 1 ranges from Jan to Feb, Window 2 ranges from May to June, and Window 3 ranges from September to October. Curriculum: now to start with, CMA Part 1 delves mainly into financial planning, performance and analytics. It covers the following 6 competencies: external financial reporting decisions, planning, budgeting and forecasting, performance management, cost management, internal controls, technology and analytics. Now someone who has worked in FP&A, which is financial planning and analysis, might be comfortable with CMA Part 1 as many concepts overlap. Now talking about CMA Part 2, the focus is on strategic financial management and it covers the following 6 competencies: financial statement analysis, corporate finance, decision analysis, risk management, investment decisions, professional ethics. Now someone who has experience in capital markets, especially in corporate finance as a consultant or an advisor, might be comfortable with CMA Part 2 curriculum as the concepts overlap. How competitive is CMA exam? Now, IMA quotes a pass rate of 50% globally, 4,000 CMAs granted each year on average, and 70,000 CMAs are awarded to date, each and every one earned through testing. Expenses: now talking about fees and scholarships, different fees are applicable for students and professionals. The entrance fee for students is $188 and that for professionals is $250. And the exam fee for students is $311, while the exam fee for professional members is $415. An additional membership is required, which is $39 for students and $245 for professionals. Now some good news for all of you. IMA does give out scholarship to students and it also offers some discounts around spring period or year end. Please follow IMA on social media to get notified when the discounts on membership fees are announced. For students, I've added a link to scholarship form and details in the description. Do check it out. Benefits offered by CMA. Now there are multiple benefits offered by CMA. From compensation perspective, I've shared a few stats on the screen for salary comparison. I've also shared a link to salary survey conducted by IMA in the description. Feel free to check it out. Talking about the early stage compensation in career, a benefit of 37% to CMA certified professionals is seen, and as your experience increases, it can go as high as 180%. Now from career perspective, CMAs are highly preferred by employers in the following domain: pricing decision, cost management, budgeting and forecasting, raising capital, investment decisions, financial analysis, networking. Now with more than 300 chapters and councils globally and with 7 active chapters locally in India, IMA offers you a strong network of fellow CMS and finance professionals via different networking forums. Now, is CMA the right career partner for you? If any of the aforementioned profiles or roles interests you or at least make you curious, I think you should consider pursuing CMA as your career partner. And secondly, do some primary research. Go through the books, go through the curriculum, talk to people who have completed their CMA certification, understand their experiences and see if that interests you. CMA has worked wonders for me. It acted as a catalyst to bridge the gap between my passion and my opportunity. And I hope it does the same for you. Now that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If so, press the like button right now. Share this video with your friends and family, and especially with those who are planning to pursue CMA US course. Other than that, if you have any queries or any questions, please feel free to use the comment section. I'll try to answer as many questions as I can. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so by pressing the subscribe button. Until next time, all the best for your CMA exams and take care.